The long hand is pointing to the 6, so it's 10:30 something, and the short hand is pointing just past the 10. So it's 10:30 on the play school clock. Now, wind, wind, wind. Inside the trolley, what will we find?
Got it. Hello, Scrap. Here's the book. It's got a dog and a duck in it. Come on, Scrap. Let's find out what happens. You can sit right here, Scrap. Good boy. Stay. Now for the story. Our story today is called Harry Maclary and Zachary Quack. Here's Harry Maclary. Ruff, 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 ruff. And Zachary Quack. Quack, quack, quack. It was drowsily warm, with dozens of bees lazily buzzing through flowers and trees. Harry Maclary decided to choose a space in the shade for his afternoon snooze. He dozily dreamed as he lay on his back, when pittery, pattery, skittery, scattery, zip! Round the corner came Zachary Quack, who wanted to frolic and footle and play. But Harry Maclary skedaddled away. Harry's not in the mood for playing today, is he? Over the lawn and asparagus bed went Harry Maclary to hide in the shed. He lurked in the shadows, all dusty and black. But pittery, pattery, skittery, scattery, zip! Round the corner came Zachary Quack. Out of the garden and into the trees jumped Harry Maclary with springs in his knees. He hid in the grass at the side of the track. But pittery, pattery, skittery, scattery, zip! Round the corner came Zachary Quack. Zachary Quack really wants Harry Maclary to play with him. Down to the river, through willow and reed, raced Harry Maclary at double the speed. Into the water he flew with a smack. But pittery, pattery, skittery, scattery, zip! Round the corner came Zachary Quack, who dizzily dived in the craziest way, whirling and swirling in showers of spray. Zachary thinks it's great fun splashing about in the water. Harry Maclary was off with a flash, a flurry of bubbles, a dog paddle splash. He swam to the side and he floundered about. He tried and he tried, but he couldn't climb out, scrambling upwards and slithering back. But pittery, pattery, skittery, scattery, zip! Through the water came Zachary Quack, who sped round the corner and, showing the way, led Harry Maclary up, up, and away. Zachary Quack knows the best way to get out of the pond. Then, soggy and shivering, back up the track went Harry Maclary and Zachary Quack. It was drowsily warm, with dozens of bees lazily buzzing through flowers and trees. Harry Maclary decided to choose a place in the shade for his afternoon snooze. He drowsily dreamed as he lay on his back, tucked up together with Zachary Quack, two tired friends cuddling up together. And that's the end of the story.